Hi, so we're standing in front of the Catedral de la Almudena. It's a little bit of an atypical cathedral in relation to some of the other cathedrals here in Europe, since it was actually finished in 1993. So certainly doesn't have the age, or I guess the history of some of the other cathedrals, but still pretty beautiful. We haven't been inside yet. We're gonna go check it out and see what it's like.
Which is one of the dishes that is traditional for specifically Madrid, not just for Spain. So this place came highly recommended to us by Carolina, who is our Airbnb host. So we're here at the Ideal for lunch. We're getting churros. This is the place to get churros. It's open 24 hours. And we got a cup of hot chocolate, which is supposed to be really thick, so it's just like a chocolate sauce with 6 churros for €4 and 50 cents. And it's super crowded here. There are so many people, so this should be really good.
During our walking tour, we learned about secret cookies sold by silent nuns out of the Monasterio de Corpus Christi. These cookies are sold only during specific hours, usually until about 1 p.m. 3 or 4 days a week, and a half-kilogram box costs around €9.
A half kilo de mantecados de llama. Gracias. Gracias.
The fun part about this, though, is that there were no advertisements and very little direction on how to get them, so we wanted to find out for ourselves.
Madrid is an incredible city that has a ton to see and do. Something you'll definitely want to plan for is seeing some of the world-class museums here. The Museo Del Prado houses some of the most iconic masterworks of famous classical artists, including Goya, Velázquez, and even some Rembrandts. If you want to save some money, you can visit during the last 2 hours of business and get in for free. Just keep in mind the lines tend to be very long for the free admission.
If you prefer to see works from the modern masters, including Picasso and Dali, be sure to check out the Reina Sofia Museum. Arguably one of the world's most famous paintings, Picasso's La Guernica, is on display here. You can also visit this museum for free during specific hours, so be sure to find out about this when you visit Madrid.
Finally, if you want a bit of natural and archaeological history, be sure to visit the National Archaeology Museum. Containing pieces from ancient Egypt, Rome, and Greece, among other locations, you're sure to learn a ton about influences on Spanish culture and art here. And this museum you can visit for free on Sunday afternoons.
Standing outside of the Templo de Dolor in Madrid. It's really pretty. We're about to go see the sunset. It's supposed to be one of the best places to see the sunset in Madrid. Becky and I had a blast in Madrid and we can't wait to go back. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button below. It would be huge for us if you also subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you know when we put up new videos.